Hi everybody, welcome to Surprisingly Geeky.
Welcome back.
I'm LunarDawn,
I'm on Derek.
and we're back to playing Ratchet and Clank.
Are you entertained yet?
I am. Fairly entertained. Come on, Daisy. Give us a kiss. Mwah. Very nice.
It is time to
Perks.
begin your new assignment.
Ah, a photo op by your shiny new shuttle. Terrific idea.
Oh, you really are an idiot.
What?
You are to take that shuttle to the moon base and ambush those two miscreants when they arrive.
Oh, yes. Who are they again?
Those two!
Oh, of course.
It's cold in here.
Just one. I'm,
I don't
Too
feel like
washed up for
very
ground
cold at all.
combat? True.
I mean,
That
I'm glad
is
it's
why
not
I'm
hot,
loading you my starfighter.
but it's cold.
You can still fly, can't you?
My hands get cold. Can you hand me my gloves?
It's settled then. You will acquire the starfighter.
Yeah, well,
once you
my
get to
cat
the
ones
moon.
are not there, so
Screw this
I
up,
think they're in the
and the
bedroom.
endorsement deal is off.
I'm 30.
but that would ruin
Nobody
me.
knows what my cat things are.
You
These are my gaming gloves.
Try me.
You can see them. My sister made them. They are amazing.
Is it those ones too?
Yeah, she did. She made me these ones a long time ago, actually. Who else do you know that knits?
Probably lots of people.
I don't know anybody else that knits.
You're running it?
Well, she started way after me did.
Well, I'm sure that the number of people we know that knits is probably higher than one.
I think my grandma used to knit.
Ship. We must have missed him.
I don't think she's done anything
Who
in a long
knows
time
where
now.
Quark is now? If
I
we're
know
gonna catch those two,
mine
we
is
need a
no
faster ship.
Perhaps this space station will supply the ship we need.
Well, we're here. Let's go check it out.
I don't remember this level. La, 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 la. That doesn't matter because the crates will sustain me.
Life-giving quotes.
Life-giving crates.
Well, is it the crates that give life, or is it the bolts that you get?
I used to think it's the crates.
So it wouldn't matter if you got bolts from them, just as long as there were crates there, you'd be good to go.
Yeah.
Well, as long as we're clear.
I'm clear.
Isn't this the level? Yeah, I think this is the level where you go up in power, and then you can get, trade in gold bolts for the chance to buy gold weapons.
In order to knock them all out, you're going to need the Gadgetron Devastator or the Visibomb gun.
Alright. Well, I've got the Devastator. Here's the noise they make. Ah.
I like their shades.
That was fun. Okay, so where's the tower? I think that's one right there.
Yeah.
But I don't know, it said I had to destroy some towers.
That doesn't seem like the kind of tower that you destroy.
It's a tower. The only thing that's locking on to there. Okay, maybe we're not there yet. Oh, probably means this thing. There we go. There, very nice. Yeah. Yeah, game.
I think you just took bullets. Why?
Because it was funny. Nothing was getting done. Did I hit them or did he hit them?
think it was actually him that did one of them at least.
I think so.
which is awesome. It's always fun when you can get your enemies to kill each other.
Definitely friendly fire. Friendly fire.
It's actually something that I used
Kind of.
to do in City of Heroes. When it first came out, I played as like a mind control hero.
Oh yeah.
And what I would do is I would go into a group and we would go into this like dungeon sort of thing. And then I would just like go out ahead of everybody and just make the enemies kill each other. But nobody liked it because then nobody got experience points.
You beat the end of the game and you're all like level 2.
Pretty much.
That's hilarious. That seems like a fundamental flaw though, doesn't it?
Yeah. I mean, it was like the early days of City Heroes. I'm sure that they probably fixed it. And I mean, for all I remember, like I might have gotten experience points for it since I was the one kind of controlling it.
Ah.
But I don't really know. I don't remember. And even if that was the case, that wasn't why I was doing it. But, you know, so that I would get experience points and nobody else would. It's what my character wanted to do.
See. No, that's not gonna work. That work. No. No, yes it will. Alright. Woohoo. Good times, good times. Yeah. Isn't really trying all that hard though. Maybe I should have been.
Maybe. It's possible that if you want to be a professional gamer, you might want to try a little harder.
Seems to me that there'd be a lot of stress accompanying a professional player.
Well, it depends on your description of professional. A professional, most people would say, is just somebody who gets paid to do something. Which is unfortunate because I don't want to feel like I am a professional cashier or a professional big worker at Walmart. I don't really want to feel that way.
I would just, well, I mean, in school they used to say that if you were doing something and getting paid for it for 5 years, you were a professional. But I guess it's kind of a bare bones.
I don't know. Like 5 years seems like a long time to have been doing something before you can call yourself a professional. Again, it depends on your definition of professional. Like, there's another thing that people think when you say professional, and it's that, oh, this person knows everything about what they're doing, they're a professional, right? Like when you need something done, you call the professionals.
I guess. It's also a sort of code of conduct, too. Well, oh, you know, you're mean to your customers? That's not very professional.
Yeah.
And it's a tower.
I don't have an answer.
That's okay. Where's the tower?
was surprisingly geeky. Thanks for watching. We'll be back in a second.
See you next time.